Hi guys, welcome back to Biology with Marynyosk. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Feel at home while you're in this channel. In this channel, I always discuss about biology in detail, that is starting from the undergraduate level, but today's discussion has got no level. I'm going to discuss it, and whatever we're going to discuss on, anyone can watch it starting from age 12 and above. From the title above, you've seen today we're going to discuss on the juicy details concerning pregnancy tests, because we're going to discuss on the simple procedure that is required in order to make use of a pregnancy test. For those who've never seen a pregnancy test, I bought it today. Don't know if you can see it clearly, but I bought it for only 50 Kenya shillings. That is like, is it $1/2? Yeah, $1/2. As you can see, the pregnancy test has a cover, so I'm going to remove it. It's not as big as you think, it's just a small capping. Look at it. There's a limit where you're supposed to put your urine. While you're using this type of pregnancy test, what you're using is your urine. You have to put your urine into this, and remember, do not allow your urine to pass through that black limit. There is an arrow that has shown the maximum where the urine can pass, and as you extend this way, your urine is going to analyze the hormones that are inside, and if you are pregnant, there will be 2 lines, and if you're not pregnant, there will be 1 line. If you find that you've either missed your period, maybe you feel like you have got the symptoms of maybe you might be pregnant, you don't have to worry much. You can just go to a shop and make sure you ask for a pregnancy test. The pregnancy test is so cheap. Starting from 50 Kenya shillings, you can afford one, and it requires just a simple procedure which you can just use it by yourself. If you are so interested, continue watching this video, and I'm going to show you step by step procedure that you need in order to test whether you're pregnant. So this is my pregnancy test. I bought it for 50 Kenya shilling at a chemist. It's readily available in a market. Don't feel much worry. Just go to a chemist, ask for a pregnancy test, or say a pee test, and you'll be given. So cheap. Okay, inside it, I've opened it already. So it's not a big thing, it's just a small thing right here. I hope you can see it clearly. So I'll just discuss this on a simple way. As you can see, this string right here, it has been made in such a way that it has a hormone which can analyze your urine and tell you whether you're pregnant or not. Okay, long time ago there were other ways that women used to do in order to, before this came up, women could even drink urine for a rabbit and see whether they'll puke. If they puke, they are pregnant. If they don't vomit, they are not pregnant. A lot of things could be done for them to test whether they are pregnant, but luckily in this generation, we're so lucky. There is a pregnancy test which you can access it easily, and you don't have to go to the hospital for them to test you. You can test yourself. So keep watching and see the procedure. As you can see, this string, it has a limit, a black limit. As you can see, this is a limit that shows you the maximum point where you're supposed to insert your urine. Let's start. First procedure, go to the toilet, put your urine somewhere. So for my case, this is not urine, I've just kept water so that you can see what I'm doing. But in your case, put urine instead. And then just hold these points and then insert it directly, and make sure that your urine does not pass the maximum limit. The maximum limit is the part where it has been drawn in bold, a black thing. You'll see. So insert it. Let me insert it. Yes, guys. So definitely you can wait, put it for a short time and wait for it to analyze and then for it to settle up. So as we're waiting for our results, I can also give you other ways. If you're doubting this, you can go to the hospital. They are going to analyze your blood. They're going to pick a sample of your blood and then they're going to centrifuge it, and after they can be able to tell you whether you are pregnant or not. And at least if you analyze your blood, then definitely you'll be sure if you're doubting this. But this is the simplest way. At least for now we can check, but you can wait for up to 5 minutes. But since it's water, we don't have to wait a lot. So I can see that I can see one line, guys. So that means that you're not pregnant. But if there's 2 lines, then you're pregnant. Guys, this is my urine. So make sure you take a new test. Here I had removed it, so I'll have to hold the grip part, the part where there is no maximum limit, and I'll insert it directly. I have to make sure that it doesn't pass. Guys, sorry, this cup is so huge even I can't see, but okay, let me do it again. Yeah, there it is. So okay, I've made sure that my urine has not passed the black limit. So make sure you put it horizontally on a surface, and you can wait for 5 minutes so that it can complete its analysis and give you a stable result. So as we wait for it to be stable, I can encourage you, when you're testing whether you are pregnant or not, be ready. You can be pregnant or maybe you're not pregnant, depending on what you want, but the result can be anything. So don't be disappointed on the results. Don't lean on one side, I want to be pregnant. No, God is the only one who can give you a child. So you don't have to worry. Just wait for the result. Hope for the best according to what your interest is. But let not the result disappoint you. Don't quit. Whatever you want, let not the results disappoint you. It's not your end of life. If you're not having a kid and you wanted a kid, you can still have a kid later. Also, if the kid has come and it was unwanted, don't be shocked. Embrace it. Lots and lots of people are really in need of kids. So if you get a chance of being pregnant, don't curse yourself. It's a blessing. Embrace it strongly. Embrace it strongly. Love your kid. Love them completely. Do not hate your kid. Love them completely. Embrace it. Be strong. Trust in God. The God who has given you a kid will still support you with the kid. We can now check at the results. So guys, now this was my urine. You can see it has 1 line, meaning that I'm not pregnant. And also, if I was pregnant, that one line, one red line you're seeing, there will be two. So definitely you can see that this is just a simple procedure. You can do it by yourself. It's so simple. And don't kill yourself if you're disappointed with the results. No, stay strong. Don't give up. This life is full of fun, and the fun is there if you look for it. Guys, hope you've enjoyed. Hope you've learned. Don't tense. This procedure is so simple. You can do it alone. Just be bold enough and do it. Thank you, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this simple procedure of testing pregnancy, and remember to keep the thumbs up. Like this episode, continue watching, stay tuned always. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know of any topic you want me to discuss on. I appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Keep tuned because I like you a lot.